Three things that I love about Canada. Number one, healthcare. Yes, meron tayong mga wait time sa ER and everything, but healthcare system, hands down, is very nice. It's very good. Been to an ambulance twice. I know you need to pay for your ambulance. Luckily, it was covered by my work insurance, so paid nothing. Yes, I waited a couple of hours in the ER, but after I got the care that I need, when we left the hospital, wala kaming binayaran. Actually, parking. Parking lang. Pupunta ka sa family doctor, libre siya. So, I mean, health, of course, you take care of yourself, but if there's something wrong, hindi ka mag-worry na mawawalan ka ng pera just to get yourself into a hospital. Number two, taxes. I know it's an unpopular opinion that I like how we are taxed in Canada. I worked more than 10 years sa Pilipinas, and every day of my working life, lagi akong nagrereklamo sa daan kung nasaan yung tax na nababayad ko sa gobyerno. Dito, I am directly impacted by the taxes I'm paying. I receive tax benefits for my kid. I enjoy roads. Very okay siya. May lubak minsan, pero you can see they're working on it. Mga libraries, recreational centers, health benefits, government benefits, madami. So, yes, nagrereklamo ako sa tax. Ang laki nang nababawas, di ba? But it's marginal. So, natatax ka based sa kung magkano lang yung sinusweldo mo. Mas konti yung sweldo mo, mas konti yung tax mo. Mas malaki yung tax, ibig sabihin mas malaki yung income mo. And I love that kapag, alam mo yun, nakikita mo kung paano mag-improve yung quality of life nyo as a community, you can see that your taxes are at work. And what I mean by that, like $10 childcare, I don't have a kid that needs that, but I know a lot of people who can use that. And I don't mind paying taxes para ma-benefit sila. Kasi at the end of the day, kapag nag-benefit ang isa sa community, lahat kayo damay-damay. Di ba ganun yun? And number three, yung diversity. Canada is like halo-halo. Parang Amerika siya. Halo-halong mga immigrants from different countries. I learned to appreciate culture, pati yung mga differences natin. Yes, I have Filipino friends, but it's so refreshing to, meet different people on different races, especially when they share their culture.